Hello and welcome to episode 8 of Morpheme of the Week. This week we're going to be focusing on a common root which is Cept. The Latin root word Cept means taken. This root word gives rise to many English vocabulary words including deception, concept and accept. Perhaps the easiest way to remember this root word is through the word accept. For when you have accepted something, you have taken it towards yourself. So as a reminder, this root word means taken. Time for a knowledge check. In front of you now are 5 words for you to define. Each of these words contains the root cept in them. Remember, cept means taken, so can you work out what each of these words means? Off you go. Okay, let's go through the definitions together now. The word accept means to take something towards yourself, to accept it. The word deception is something that's taken from the truth. The word perceptive means to have thoroughly taken in one's surroundings. The word intercept means taken in at the beginning. And the word susceptible means able to be taken under. So as you can see, each of these words relates to the root cept and informs its meaning. Okay, time to test your morpheme knowledge. We're going to complete a small language analysis task, so you'll need your whiteboards for this. Okay, a relatively straightforward task for today. I'm going to give you an extract and I want you to answer the question, how is the man presented? Here's the extract now. The man's hand began to shake as he reluctantly accepted the briefcase. Sweat dripped on his brow and his skin flushed red. He had lost all perception of his surroundings. So based on this, what can we infer about the man? Okay, well done. As you can see, there's actually a lot that we can infer about the man based on this extract. We can see that he's nervous and that he's feeling panicked, which makes sense because it says that sweat is dripping from his brow and his skin is flushed. We can also get the sense that perhaps he might be in danger, which is actually a possibility here, because his hand is beginning to shake, which implies fear. Either way, we can see that he's struggling to cope with the situation, as he's lost all perception of his surroundings, which tells us that he must be feeling physically uncomfortable and unable to think straight. Perhaps he's being forced to do something. Just a reminder, knowing how words work can help us make sense of unknown words. If we can recognise part of a word, then we can use our knowledge of morphemes to decipher its function. To finish off today, we're going to complete a Freya model relating to the morpheme cept. In the top quadrants, you're going to write a definition of the morpheme, along with characteristics or facts relating to it. In the bottom left quadrant, you're going to write down some examples. And finally, in the bottom right-hand quadrant, you can draw some images that relate to this morpheme. Okay, well done. And finally, you can see a completed Freya model in front of you now. Please feel free to pause this and compare it to your own. I hope you have a fantastic week, and I'll see you next time. Bye.